Welcome to the S&D University classroom. Today you will learn how to sweat a horizontal joint. Before we begin, here are some safety tips. Safety glasses and appropriate gloves are worn at all times. Make sure to remove any flammable items away from the area. Step 1. Clean the area of the pipe that will take the fitting and deburr the inside of the pipe, and then clean the fitting with a wire fitting brush. Step 2. Apply a thin and even layer of flux paste on the outside of the pipe and inside of the fitting. Step 3. Insert the pipe into the fitting, making sure that the pipe is fully seated in the fitting, and then a slight twisting motion ensures an even coverage of flux. Step 4. Using a torch to heat up the pipe, first start at the bottom and slowly heat up 2/3 of the pipe on both sides just before the solder will take. Avoid directly preheating the top of the joint so you avoid burning the flux. Next, apply heat and sweep the flame alternately between the fitting and the pipe, only heating up 2/3 of the joint on both sides. Step 5. After preheating is complete, start with the torch at the base and back of the fitting cup. Apply the solder to the fitting by pushing the solder into the joint, and keep the torch slightly ahead of the solder. Use the same technique until you reach the top of the joint, and then repeat on the other side, making sure to overlap the solder at the bottom and the top of the joint. Step 6. Do not apply flux or water to clean or cool down the soldered joint. This can cause the joint to crack. Use a dry, clean rag and wipe the joint. Note: the use of a wet rag to clean the soldered joint is only permitted when the joint has completely cooled down. Please subscribe for more lessons from S&D University.